Hello everybody. Windshield washer not spraying? Don't freak out. It might just be a fuse. In this video, I'll show you how to find it fast on any Toyota Corolla from 2003 all the way to 2024. Let's pop that panel and fix it in seconds. Alright, kicking it off with the 2003 to 2008 Corolla, aka the E130. Pop open the cabin fuse box. It's right under this panel here. Now, check out the right side. See that blue 15 amp fuse? That's your guy. It powers both the washer switch and the washer motor. No fuse puller? No problem. Grab some needle nose pliers or even nail clippers if that's what you've got. Pull it out. Check if the metal strip inside is burnt or snapped. If it's good, cool. If not, boom, easy swap. Moving on to the 2009 to 2013 Corolla, the E140. Pop open the fuse panel on the driver's side, right under the dash. Pull the cover out, then up. Now look for that 15 amp fuse. It's usually in the same spot. Wiggle it out and check the strip inside. If it's broken, swap it with a new one and you're back in action. Let's hit the 2014 to 2018 models. Yep, the E170. The fuse box is tucked under the dashboard on the left-hand side. You might have to get low and peek under the steering wheel. Find that blue 15 amp fuse saying drill. If the strip inside is solid, you're good. If it's broken, you've found your problem. Swap it out and boom, washer's working again. Alright, now we're talking the latest and greatest 2019 to 2024 Corolla, the E210. We're back inside the cabin look just left of the driver's footwell. There's your fuse box. Find that familiar blue 15 amp fuse. It powers your washer motor. Pull it, test for continuity, or swap it with a working fuse to confirm. That's it. And just like that, you now know how to find the windshield washer fuse on every Toyota Corolla from 2003 to 2024. If this saved you some time and stress, smash that like button. Got questions or your own tips? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Catch you in the next one. Peace.